Hi there, this is Christina Circle with Body Physics Studio and the Ergolates Pilates and Posturology certification. Today we're going to be doing the pirouette on our knees, which activates less of the gluteus maximus and goes to get the gluteus minimus because we're on our knee. Here we're doing the exercise on the GTS, but this is derived of a movement done on the Cadillac from the Pilates repertoire. So step one, just as in the standing pirouette, I want to put my knee in the middle of the platform. I'm going to execute it on one side and then I'll do it on the opposite side. And I want to send myself on a diagonal. The tension is still on my glutes, on my supporting leg. This leg is simply there for the movement. And we lift up. So here, the weight is on the gluteus minimus because I'm not on my heel. So the maximus works a little bit, but not that much when it comes to your butt. So I'm going to execute the movement on the diagonal and up. So my hands are here for stabilization. When you want to go get a more stability in the pelvic girdle and you want to go work the shoulders as well as the transverse abs more, then of course we open up the platform and we have to stabilize in order to do the movement. Now this is the pirouette as an add-on, because this is considered an intermediate to advanced exercise. Once I've done the repetitions that I want for my pirouette, I can add a kick at the end, I can add a leg lift, I can add the rotations just as we did in the glute activation series. I can even add a 45 degrees, depending on how much I want to work the internal obliques, the lower back, the QL, or the gluteus medius on the opposite side for our clients. So this depends, of course, on the evaluation we've done. Now, if someone has a gluteus medius, it's because this is a bit like the pigeon pose in yoga that is very tight, and I want to send a little bit more of the weight into the shoulders. We lift up the platform on an incline, and this action puts a little bit less stress on the knee because I'm more forwardly bent and I'm using my shoulders. As much as if I wanted to work my shoulder girdle and I'm lifting it up. So here, when I'm open, of course my deltoid, rhomboids are all working, and my butt is working a lot less, but my hip girdle is working in stabilization. So as I lift up the platform, I put more weight on my shoulders, like I repeated, and less on the glutes. If I want to work my glutes more, my gluteus medius, and work those to help stabilize with back problems, then I lower the platform and I do it on a moving platform. So this has been the pirouette on the knees from the Pilates repertoire in our Ergolates certification program.